First, I'm gonna start with Sephora. Then we also went to Sephora.
We're going to Sephora.
From Sephora. Next up, I went to Sephora. From Sephora, aka my favorite and only makeup store that I ever go to. We just had our first Zoom meeting with Sephora. I don't know what's gonna happen. Who knows what's gonna happen and when it's gonna happen? I mean, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Who knows? Who knows? Wait, hold on. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. This is really crazy. The little trays came out so good.
I am going on. Okay.
You guys, this is what it looked like when we got here. These are testers. As you can see, no inventory. Hi guys! I decided that I wanted to vlog this week. I am turning 30 years old. Where has life gone? It's so crazy. I can't believe it. In many ways, I feel like I've been 30 for years. At the same time, I feel like I'm 26 inside. To catch you guys up to speed, we moved. Hello. Welcome to my glam room closet. I'm filming on my phone because I have no idea where my camera went. I've been packing up the house. I got some pizza because I knew it would be a great leftover tomorrow as we're helping the movers. They're gonna help us pack up some stuff, like any clothing that's hanging or just like less personal kitchen items, stuff like that. So I've just been packing up a lot of like fragile things, personal things, valuable things, and also like organizing every drawer and area so that it's ready to be packed up really easily, and also just doing like a huge inventory check of everything that we own, because I don't want to be bringing things back into our house that don't have a place or a purpose. They got so much to snip. Wow! They love the place.
Have they been out back?
We are definitely still in boxes. We're now at the place where most of our furniture is in and we're just living our life, but every so often we need to find like a certain cleaning spray or our hand vacuum, something like that. And we can't find these things because we're still unboxing. Last week, I went to New York Fashion Week for a few days. That was so much fun. I went to the Miu Miu Women's Tales event. It's all about celebrating women in film. So twice a year, they choose a female director to create a short film that includes the collection. And I really love Miu Miu and I love the Prada team, and I felt very honored to be able to attend. I also went to my second Calvin Klein fashion show, which again was so much fun. I actually was so on time. I was like maybe the second person that arrived. And I didn't realize that because you kind of just always assume that you're running late. Anyways, but that led to a very relaxing experience and morning. It was really fun. Right now I'm painting my nails and I'm using regular nail polish, which at this point in time is like kind of a liability and a little bit scary because I keep messing up the nail polish. I've been like hair drying each layer, but at this moment, this feels like the fastest and easiest thing for me to do because I have an event tonight. I'm hosting a dinner to celebrate my brand's launch into Sephora. It still does not feel real. Sephora has always been on the vision board. It's always been my number one goal and my dream retailer, and they have just been so lovely to work with, and I just feel so lucky. Tonight I'm celebrating with a few close friends. We're renting out a dinner space at this restaurant called Alba. It's just gonna look so cute. Everything is within theme of our new fragrance. So at the same time, we are launching a new fragrance. It's Rosebud. Oh my gosh, I have been waiting for this fragrance to come out. It has been in the pipeline for so long, and it is your cool girl rose. It's fresh, it's damp, it's sophisticated. This one is really special. So everything is red, and tonight I'm wearing the cutest little mini dress. I'm gonna do my own makeup. I've got Kylie Fitzgerald doing my hair. I think I'm probably gonna get ready here. You guys, I'm so excited about this setup. I still haven't even organized or unpacked exactly like how my makeup is gonna sit within this desk vanity area, but I have a mirror in front of me with glam lights. Right now, I'm just gonna take care of a few things. You guys, we are so deep in wedding planning. I wouldn't even know where to begin. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta handle this.
8, 7, 6, 4. We switch arm in 3, 2, 1. Bend that elbow, switch arm, kick it off, roll the shoulders.
Is my favorite. Yeah. And it's with flash on. This is my week of wearing red and rosebud themed outfits. Maybe my month, actually. I feel like I should just be wearing red all month. Right now, I'm heading over to the office. New product development, marketing. I'm interviewing a new possible CYKLAR hire. Very excited to meet her. You know what? Last minute outfit change. I throw on a black top. This fake leather little rose belt. Are you kidding? The rosebud CYKLAR perfume oil keychain.
I don't even have a unicorn for this yet. Bergamot Bond green, and we would need to start mass production lacquer, or if you wanted it to be kind of like this original sample.
Beaches, you're too much fun.
Come here, good boy. Whoops. Oh, there she goes. 30th birthday.
Peach is like, I turned 30 in dog years a long time ago.
Peach, please. Should I open the door?
She'll just do it on the couch, but that's kind of fun.
Oh my god. What? I can't even keep up with you. Mama, you're crazy, girl.
Does this make it a little
Yeah?
more acceptable?
Yeah, that's cute.
Happy birthday, dear Claudia.
Today, tomorrow, and the next day, I'm going to San Francisco for the Sephora Brand Summit. Having just launched on Sephora.com, this is my first year, of course. It's for all of the beauty founders. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. Hopefully everyone is sweet and welcoming. I'm excited to see my Sephora girls. I need to steam this jacket when I land, but this is the look. And I'm gonna change to heels. All right, let's see what time it is. Okay, just landed, checked in. I have 10 minutes before I need to go. I'm gonna quickly steam my trench coat. Turning 30 is recognizing that no one likes a wrinkly garment.
But I don't know how to do what you do and piece things together and take inspiration from some far off place and create something with a narrative. I don't understand that, but I understand how to commercial.
Really this adaptability point. It used to feel, honestly, like there were 3 to 4 brands per category that kind of were the winners.
Good morning. I've just been hanging out in the hotel room, drinking a little juice. I'm gonna go check out the gym in the hotel here.
Be in the process of growth. 4, 3.
Just a little bit so you can see them. 6, 5, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I just turned on the lamp. So bright. Adjusting. Sephora Summit was so awesome yesterday. I actually learned a ton. They just share their insights. What was working, what was not working last year. They talk about their different programs and things that they recommend, like good practices for their brands. I have an hour to get ready, pack up, and I'm meeting the Sephora social team at a Sephora store. And we're gonna film a cute little mini mic shop with me video.
This is so crazy to see live on Sephora.com. Back in the closet. I have a bunch of self-tanner on right now that I'm gonna go shower off. Just a little 2-hour express mousse. Got back from San Francisco yesterday. Today we have our major Sephora launch party in Los Angeles. Is happening in Form LA, which is a furniture studio showroom store. The space is so beautiful and they are letting us transform it into a world of rosebud. So we're celebrating the new fragrance and the Sephora launch. We've got some of our Sephora team flying in for this event. So many of my friends are going. So many creators that I look up to and love to watch. I'm a little sick from traveling, if you can hear it in my voice. So I've been just taking a bunch of medication and I need to start throat coat tea drinking. My stylist found like a 2005, I think, JPG dress, and we're kind of reconstructing it because the dress is supposed to fit over the chest and have this like mesh halter that ties around your neck, and we're pushing it all down to have the dress start under my boobs and have the ties be the top part. So good, so sexy. Every day has been really crazy and fast paced, but I just know I'm gonna look back at this time so fondly. I'm surrendering to the chaos and the sickness and the lack of sleep, but it's been such a beautiful introduction into a new decade in my life. Sorry, this video is gonna be really sappy. Anyways, well, I'm gonna shower off my self-tanner because I look a little, actually it looks kind of nice in the video. Just a little baby one here. Give it to us. Give it to us. Oh. You're gonna flip them?
Yeah.
In a bigger pot? It's so early. Right now, I am heading over to the Grove. I'm finally seeing CYKLAR in stores at Sephora. I'm so excited. For the past week, I've been seeing videos and photos online of different store locations across the country, but I have yet to see it in real life for myself. When I first moved out to LA at 18, I lived very close to the Grove, and so that was like my stomping ground. It's so fun getting to have these like full circle moments at places that you've, you know, spent so many hours in. It's very empty here because everything is still closed. We just made it in. And I guess the shelf was completely empty.
There's one making the body wash and one, sorry, my milk.
No.
So we had to totally restock it.
Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait. Let me put my heels on. This needs to, hold on. This is so beautiful. This is really crazy. The little trays came out so good. You guys, this is what it looked like when we got here. These are testers. As you can see, no inventory. Crazy. Just got back home. That was really cool. This entire month, I've just been thinking about like different versions of my younger self. When I first started making YouTube videos, when I first started ideating CYKLAR, and I just feel very grateful for her. I'm very grateful for you guys. This has been in the works for a little over a year now, but you kind of feel like you're just holding your breath the whole time. Getting to see our end cap in real life and walking up to it and it being empty. Everything is selling out so quickly. It's such a dream and it's so exciting. We were also talking to the store manager. She was talking about how oftentimes the different brands in Sephora have kind of like their own demographics and their own niche customer, and that you can really pick up on that and the patterns of like, you know, that's a girl who shops that brand and that's a person that shops that brand. And she was saying that the CYKLAR customer is everyone. As a team, we see that online and I see that through social media, but hearing that today made me feel really proud, because one of my biggest goals and intentions with this brand is to make everyone feel included and connect with these products and these fragrances and find themselves within it. I truly have the best people that are the best at what they do surrounding me on my team, and I feel so grateful for the hours and passion that they pour into this brand with me, the way that this launch has unfolded, and our cadence with our moments and our posting. You can only plan for so much, and at the end of the day, it's just either gonna work and stick and hit, or it's not. And I really couldn't have dreamt it, to feel this way and have this palpable excitement that I can really feel. You guys are a huge part of that. I just want to say thank you a million times. This is just the beginning, somehow.